power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on new challenges and adventures. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2021 Ram 1500 Limited Crew Cab in billet silver. With HID headlamps, LED fog lamps, 22-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, blind spot and cross path detection, LED tail lamps, tow package, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 26,000 miles on the odometer, 12-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, dual pane panoramic sunroof, 5.7-liter V8 Hemi engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D6174.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.